Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss what is the Postman and how we set up the Postman. Okay, so first of all, like what is the Postman? Why we are using to install the Postman? Okay, so Postman is basically a functional automation tool that is used to automate the API test. Okay, basically we can use this automation tools for both purpose as well as manual as well as the for automation. Okay, also this has a multiple features where we can create the mock. It has its own dashboard, cloud environment where we can push the our API test, and we can also share with multiple team members. Okay, so these are some benefits of the Postman. We will discuss one by one in the coming videos, but today I am going to show how we set up and install the Postman. Okay, so now let's move. So first of all, we need to install. So just search like Postman download for Windows. Okay, click on, you will see here, this is the link of the Postman. Click on this Postman. It will redirect you on this page, and there is a one download the app button. Click on this. You will get here two options. One is for the Windows 32-bit and second is for Windows 64-bit. So as per your system configuration, if you are using 64, click on 64-bit. If you are using Windows 32-bit, use the 32-bit. So as of now, I am going to use 64-bit because my system is 64-bit machine. Click on this. This will start downloading the Postman installer file. Okay, once the installation done successful, just click on this executable file. Okay, it will start the installing the Postman on your system. Now you can see this is running. Okay, so once the installation will done, this will launch the Postman. Okay, so now installation is in progress and now it's done. Okay, now it's loading the Postman. Once the Postman will loaded, now here Postman is loaded successfully. Okay, so you can see this is the Postman interface, Postman UI. Okay, so if you don't have any user account, okay, then you need to create so that you can connect with the cloud environment. And if you don't have if you have a previous account, just click on sign in and enter the username and password. Okay, and you can also click on the skip, go to the app directly, and you can set up later. Okay, so now I'm going to show how we create the account. So click on this account link. Okay, this is opened here, Postman. Okay, and directly this is redirected to on a browser. Okay, so it will automatically open the this URL on your default browser. And here in Postman, you can see create account via web browser. This is in process. Okay, so first of all, you need to fill the detail, email ID, username, password, and can click on the create free account. You can also directly sign up with your Google account. Okay, so I'm going to create the account. Let me fill the detail. Okay, okay, so I have entered the detail and now click on the create account button. Yeah, this is asking like username being taken. Okay, so we can create some different. Let me add one more user here. Yeah, now this user will be accepted. Okay, and we can save the password. Okay, let me click on this number, and here you can see in the Postman this will be directly automatically navigated to the uh, automatic sign up here. Okay, okay, so here we will get the welcome Postman. Okay, what is your username name, we can type here. Okay, which of these roles is closest to you. Okay, so you can select any option here like quality engineering engineer, and also there are other option what is suitable for you, you can select that. So this is the how do you plan to use the Postman API documentation, API automation. So I'm just selecting this documentation as well as the uh, automation testing. Okay, monitoring you can select, let and click on the continue button. Yeah, so we can also add the team, or we can also continue without using team. So you can use that. So I just click on the continue without team. Okay, keep in Scratchpad, move data to the workspace. Okay, so just click on this, move data to workspace. Okay, so okay, so your Postman is set up successfully, and also you have one email you will receive, which you need to click on the confirmation. Like Postman will send one email on your account, Gmail account, which email you are using to activate your account now. Okay, so this email, this type of email you will receive. Click on the confirm email. Okay, once you will confirm this email, it means your email ID is confirmed for the Postman and now your account is activated. Okay, so this is the email ID you can see, and this Postman is set up successfully. Okay, so we can create the new workspace or we can create the my workspace. Okay, and this is the earlier workspace I have used. So we can also create here the API collections and we can send the request. I will show you in the next video how we will set up the how we create the API test in the Postman, and what is the different options here, like collections, environments, what is the use of this environment. Okay, so we will discuss in next tutorial.